Good morning, welcome to Trend and Timing. Before we start, please take your time to read carefully the disclaimer page. And now let's have a look to the March 28th trading session. And we're going to start by the Nasdaq Biotechnology Index Fund, which fell 1.3% yesterday. As we can see on the daily chart, the trend is already bear since a few months, nearly 9 months. And we are right now around a crucial support around 245, 240. So you have to be very careful on this index fund. And we can understand why, for example, thanks to two stocks, hurt yesterday by a 7% decline, like Valeant. Of course, don't try to buy a falling knife. And there was also another stocks, Ariad Pharmaceticals, losing also 8%. And the difference here is that the stock was doing better than the market since 1 month, so we have to be very careful. It is on a very crucial level around 6 to 595. So we will pay attention if a break happens very soon on this latest level. Otherwise, considering the indicators we use to detect some trend changes, we can have a look, for example, on several stocks. Probably we can talk also about some of the big losers yesterday, like GoPro. GoPro, nothing to say. The stock has tried to come back a little bit. Our short-term trend was hesitating for a while, but the cumulative position, which is a synthesis of all our technical indicators, stayed absolutely short since August 2015. And the relative strength against the S&P 500 is still very bad, so we won't buy for example, Valeant, as said a few minutes ago. There is a stock we can have a look also, which is quite interesting. It's Netflix. Netflix shows some short-term and cumulative position which are bullish, but we are since the beginning of the year underperforming the market, so it's not a strong buy for us. As you can see, the oscillator is shows medium-term and long-term trend, and we may probably do insist on the fact that as long as we shall stay below 110, it will be difficult to advise a strong buy. And if you want to be very careful and you are positive on the stock anyway, don't stop. Don't forget to put a stop order below 95.5 for in order to be cautious. So we get to see also a Monster Beverage, which was quite well yesterday, plus 1.5%. But I want to insist on the fact that sometimes the stocks are just hesitating and worked just below our crucial moving average. And here we can advise a strong buy also, as we said previously for Netflix, because we are just below 140, 42 and a half, and we are experiencing some underperformance against the S&P 500. So we can't push too much those kind of stocks, and you need maybe to pay more attention. Now let's have a look to, for example, Expedia, which failed to break the long-term level here, which shows also some tightness sign against the S&P 500. Here is Windstream. Our indicators indicate that we have to reduce the position, but the chart is not sufficiently seeing the same, so I won't do that. Seagate is hesitating against the market. It's not a clear selling signs. We need probably one or two more trading sessions. Bed Bath, for example, has been recovering a bit, but is losing some momentum, like the overall market, in fact. And maybe we should have to pay attention to 48.50 and become short if this level was broken market on close. So here we will probably stop here our tour d'horizon on the market, but don't hesitate to join us at the following addresses. You get the phone, email address, etc. And don't forget to consult our website, Trend and Timing, where you could find also in the methodology how to read our charts or our scoring and ranking tabs. So thank you for listening and watching, and see you soon.